Hey you guys, what's up? It's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a review on the KERACARE hydrating line. I am so excited to bring this to you guys. You guys will see at the end of the video how much I love this line. Spoiler alert. But here I'm just washing my hair. I did have a pre-poo in, so I just went ahead and rinsed that out really well, and now I'm just going ahead in with the shampoo. This is the Hydrating Color Care line. If you guys didn't know, I do have colored hair. I dyed my hair black a few months ago, and yeah, so I've been on the hunt to find a really nice color shampoo and color safe shampoo and conditioner, and I gotta say this one is pretty dang bomb. So as you guys can see on this first one, it's even lathering up really nicely. I love the consistency of the shampoo. You guys will see later when I talk about it that I compared it a lot to the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil texture of shampoo, if that makes sense. It's really creamy, really moisturizing, and I like it a lot. It's really nice. It's not stripping at all. I find that shampoos that are really stripping do not work well for colored hair because it just strips your color, honestly. But as you guys can see with this second wash, it's lathering up super duper well, and it's just getting really good cleansing in my scalp. I love the way it feels. I actually did use one of like my shampoo like massager things in my hair as well, just because I hadn't washed my hair in a little bit, because I was honestly looking for a shampoo and a conditioner to use, but because I felt like every time prior to this I was just honestly washing my color down the drain. But as you guys can see here, the shampoo is lathering so well. It's just so amazing. And I don't know if you guys can see, but in the sink that there's no color runoff in the sink, which is amazing. Pretty much every other time that I've washed my hair since coloring it, there has been color rinsing down the drain, which is super annoying. Sorry if you guys can hear my dog growling, but yeah, so this one's really nice. I didn't have any color runoff in the sink. Here I'm just reading how long to put in this conditioner. I really enjoy the conditioner as well. You guys will be able to see the kind of texture of the conditioner as well, but I really love this too. Alrighty guys, so I just rinsed out my hair, and let's just take down my hair. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm going to make a statement that you'll probably never hear me say again. I love this line so much. I 150% think that it has replaced my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. Like, this is my new every wash day kind of a thing, fail-proof conditioner and shampoo. Like, it is so good, you guys, and it's just, I can't even tell you how good my hair feels right now. Like, it's almost like rude. Like, my hair has never felt this good. It's just so hydrated, it's moisturized, and it didn't take my color out because this is the KERACARE moisturizing line for color treated hair. And if you guys didn't know, I recently colored my hair black, and I have been looking for a line to you know, keep my color. And I found it. I got this for Christmas from my wonderful sister. Thank you, Danielle, so much for this. I don't remember who I saw try this out, but I know that KERACARE is like a super good brand for relaxed hair, and I had never tried it out before, and I don't know why y'all let me sleep for so long on this product, because I need to order like 5 backups of this, because like I am so obsessed with it. As soon as I put it on my hair, I knew that this was going to be a new favorite. I hope that they have bigger sizes, because this is kind of tiny for me, because I got a lot of hair. Her hair is thick, and I didn't use a lot of it, but I definitely can tell that I will. But this is the KERACARE Moisturizing Shampoo for Color Treated Hair. It's a moisturizing conditioning shampoo formulated exclusively to enhance and preserve tone in color treated hair while gently and thoroughly cleansing the hair and scalp. Yes, I agree. I have no disagreements. It says it minimizes color fading and extends the life of color. I have barely any color rinsing out of my hair in the sink, and I rinsed out the conditioner in the shower. I had barely any color payoff. This is not makeup tutorial. Any color runoff from my hair. And the last few shampoos that I have done with things that say like color safe or whatever, I've had a lot of my color just go straight down the drain. But this also says it detangles and conditions hair. I could really honestly use this conditioner to detangle my hair. It was so soft and just moisturizing in my hair, but it also cleansed it, but it didn't strip it. And if you guys remember when I did my first wash day routine here on my channel with the Shea Moisture line, it was, I said about the shampoo the same exact thing. I said that it's moisturizing and it's cleansing, but it doesn't strip my hair. And I have been searching for a shampoo and conditioner that would do the same thing as the Shea Moisture, and I have found it. I'm so excited. It also says that shields hair from UV rays. I don't know about that. Nurtures delicate hair conditions. Yes, contains fiber strengthening complex. So it's just so good. I love this conditioner, you guys. Like, it's a game changer for me. Like, this line right here is a game changer. So this one says that it is exceptional conditioning deposition, minimizes color fading with a special fusion of catatonics and sealants, protects hair from UV rays, moisturizes and fortifies hair deep within the cortex of a unique blend of conditioning agents, conditioning fiber strengthening complex as well. I did sit under my heating cap with this for about 20 minutes, and I feel like that really hydrated my hair. Which I am obsessed with. Like, I cannot say enough good things about this line, guys. It is so good. I am obsessed with it. I am going to go ahead and do my roller set. If you guys missed my roller set video, it is my last video, and I will have that linked for you guys so you guys can check that out as well. I will come back and show you what my hair looks like when it's all done being roller setted and wrapped up and all that jazz, so you guys can see what it looks like. But I am so obsessed with this line, guys. If you have color treated hair and you are looking for a line that is not going to strip your color out of your hair, say less. This is it. I believe my sister ordered this on Amazon. I did send her a link. I think she ordered it from Amazon, I'm pretty sure. So I'll have the link to it down below. I know they sell KERACARE at Sally's Beauty, so I'm definitely going to have to check out there as well to see if they have like the bigger bottles, like I said, because I will 100% buy the bigger bottles and be completely content with my life. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead, do my roller set, and we'll be back. Alright guys, this is what my hair looks like after I roller set it, and then I wrapped it for a little bit so that it could just get nice and straight. I am obsessed with it. If you guys are wondering about this look, this is actually my New Year's Eve look. So I posted this look up on my Instagram. I will have that link down below for you guys always. So you want to go check this out and see how I got this glam, you can definitely go do that. I just wanted to say how much I love this line from KERACARE. It is so good. If you guys have not tried it out, I highly suggest that you do. Like I said in the video, this is going to be my new favorite, and it has definitely replaced my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And I hate to say it, but I'm so excited to use this for 2020. So if you guys would like to see a full wash day routine with these products, definitely let me know down below. I can do that for you guys. And yeah, I'm not naked. I do have on a shirt. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave, and also subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.